Windsurf versus VS Code. Which code editor is better? Choosing the right code editor can completely change how you streamline your coding process without the frustration of inefficiency. Both options offer unique features to enhance your workflow. Windsurf and VS Code are both powerful code editors, but they cater to different user needs. Windsurf focuses on simplicity and speed, while VS Code offers extensive features and customization options for developers looking for a more robust environment. Windsurf is a lightweight code editor designed for speed and efficiency. It offers a clean interface with essential features that allow developers to focus on coding without distractions. Windsurf supports multiple programming languages and provides syntax highlighting, making it easy to read and write code. Its strengths lie in its simplicity and fast performance, ideal for beginners or those who prefer a minimalistic approach. However, it lacks advanced features like debugging tools and extensive plugin support, which may limit more experienced developers. Windsurf is best suited for users who prioritize speed and ease of use over extensive functionality. VS Code, developed by Microsoft, is a versatile and feature-rich code editor that caters to a wide range of developers. It supports numerous programming languages and offers advanced features such as debugging, integrated Git control, and a vast marketplace for extensions. VS Code's strengths include its customization options, allowing users to tailor the interface and functionality to their specific needs. While it may have a steeper learning curve for beginners, its robust capabilities make it a favorite among professional developers. However, its resource-intensive nature may not be ideal for users with older hardware. VS Code is perfect for those looking for a comprehensive coding environment with extensive support. When comparing Windsurf and VS Code, consider your coding needs. Windsurf excels in speed and simplicity, making it an excellent choice for quick edits or for those new to programming. Its lightweight nature allows it to run smoothly on less powerful machines. On the other hand, VS Code offers a rich set of features, including debugging and version control, which can significantly enhance productivity for complex projects. However, this comes at the cost of requiring more system resources. If you often work on large projects or require advanced tools, VS Code is the way to go. For users who value speed and a straightforward interface, Windsurf is a solid option. If you prioritize speed and simplicity, Windsurf is the ideal choice for your coding needs. For a comprehensive coding experience with extensive features, VS Code is highly recommended. It caters to both novice and experienced developers, providing the tools needed to enhance productivity. Choose wisely based on your specific coding requirements.